studied in the past. TH, which says SH, which says sh. CH, which says ch, ch, ch. WH, which says w, w, w. CK, which says k, k, k. GN, which says But anyways, a digraph are two certain letters that sit side by side together in a word, and when you see them sitting side by side together in a word, they make one sound. So the digraph that we're going to work with today is QU, okay? So you should have a paper that looks similar to this. Q and U. Now, if you remember in kindergarten, Q and U marry each other because anytime in a word that you're going to use the letter Q, U always follows him. So Q and U together makes the qu, qu, qu sound, okay? Now, what we're going to do is we have some pictures at the bottom, and we're going to decide if they match or if they have the QU blend, okay? Now, your papers are stapled together like this. You have the QU paper and then you have this paper, okay? So rip them apart, set this one to the side because we're going to do it next, okay? We're going to do Q and U first. So what you're going to do is with your scissors, you're going to cut the pictures apart. So cut that apart just like that. So now you have a paper that looks like this and a paper that looks like this with your name on the top. Now, you're going to need glue and scissors for this activity, so make sure you have that. Pause the video if you need to go get your supplies. Now, the first picture that I want us to look at is queen. Qu, qu, queen. Do you hear the qu, qu, qu sound at the beginning of that word? You do. So you're going to cut the queen out, and with a little bit of glue, you're going to paste her on your paper. So there's my queen. The next picture is a question mark. You hear Q and U at the beginning of question mark. So you're going to cut that question mark out and put a little bit of glue, and you're going to glue it in the big box where Q and U is. Notice that Miss Downey is only cutting out one picture at a time. I'm not cutting them all out because I don't want to lose my pieces. So far you have queen and you have question. Your next picture is bottle. Nope. Starts with a B. Run. Nope. Doesn't start with a QU. Pig. Nope. Starts with a P. Quarter. Yes, quarter. So you are going to cut your quarter out, and you're probably going to have a little bit of scrap now, so it goes in the tidy tub. So cut the quarter picture out on that solid line. Looks like this. Put a little bit of glue. Paste your quarter. So now we have three pictures: quarter, queen, and question. Your next picture is quiet. Yes, we hear QU at the beginning of that word. So we're going to cut out our quiet picture, paste it onto our paper. So now we have four pictures. We have queen, question, quarter, and quiet. Our last picture is a desk. It does not have a QU blend. It begins with D. So now I have these scraps. I'm going to put that in our tidy tub, and my paper is finished. So these four pictures have the QU blend. Queen, question, quarter, and quiet. So anytime you see a word and it has the qu, or you see Q and U in the spelling, you know that those two letters are going to make one sound. Okay? So you're done with this. You can put it in the finished tray, or you can set it aside and wait just a second because we have one more paper. This paper. This is called Trick or Treat Diagraph Bags, okay? So if you see your little characters dressed up for Halloween, you are going to, let's look at the blends on their Trick or Treat bags. We have the SH blend, or I'm sorry, I didn't mean to call it a blend, a digraph. The SH digraph, shh. The TH digraph, the WH digraph, and the CH digraph, ch, ch, ch. Now, what we're going to do is, our directions say, choose a color for each treat bag, then find the treats that go in that digraph bag and color it the same color. So we have 4 trick or treat bags, so you're going to need 4 different colors, okay? So I slid, and I'm in our classroom today making our video. So I slid over and I'm going to pick purple, red, pink, and yellow. So these are my 4 colors that I chose. You're going to pick 4 colors, any 4 colors you want. Quickly pick them. Pause the video if you need to. Then what you're going to do is you're going to pick 1 color for each bag. So I'm going to color my SH bag purple. So really quickly, I'm just going to color over that so I know that any candy piece that has SH in it is going to be purple. I'm going to color my TH bag pink, my WH bag red, and my CH bag yellow. Now, I am not going to go through this word for word with you because you have a smart brain. You can do this. We've studied diagraphs. You know them. So I want to see what you can do. So what you're going to do with whatever 4 colors you chose, you're going to look at each word in each candy piece. If you can't read them, look at the spelling. If it has an SH in it, it's going to be colored whatever color you colored that bag. If it has a CH in it, you're going to color it whatever color you colored the CH bag. Okay? So what you're doing is you're matching up the candy with their spellings and their sounds to the bags that you colored up front. Okay? Good job today, guys.